Hello friends. Today we are discuss about resolution of vector, two dimension, three dimension and unit vector. So our first question is explain resolution of vector. Friends, look here. Here now we have two vector A and vector B. In figure A, vector A and B vector are coplanar and non-parallel. Okay, so R is to be resolved in vector A and B. Suppose OQ represent vector R. Look here. Here OQ is represent vector R. First of all, friends, in figure B, draw a parallel to vector A. Look here. This is a parallel line of vector A. From O and draw another line parallel to B. Look here. Here this is a vector B and parallel now we have vector PQ. Otherwise line PQ. Both lines intersect at P. As per triangle method of vector addition, we can write down vector OQ is equal to vector OP plus vector PQ. Here OQ is a resultant vector. Okay. And here vector OP is parallel to vector A. And its magnitude is lambda. So vector OP is equal to, we can write down lambda vector A. And vector PQ is parallel to vector B. So PQ is equal to mu vector B. Here lambda and mu are scalar value. Okay. So instead OQ we can write down R. OP instead we can write down lambda vector A. And for PQ we can write down mu vector B. So we get vector R is equal to lambda A means vector A plus mu vector B. In word we can write down vector R is equal to component of vector R in the direction of vector A plus component of R in direction of B. Okay. Friends, next question is, what is a unit vector? Explain. So vector whose magnitude is 1 unit is called unit vector. It represented the direction. It does not have any unit or dimension. Look here. Here O is the origin, X is the x-axis, this is the y-axis and this is the z-axis. Here I caret is a unit vector of x direction. Here j caret is a unit vector of y-axis and k caret is a unit vector of z-axis. Look here, as magnitude of unit vector is 1. So mod j caret, mod I caret means I caret, j caret and mod k caret is equal to, we can write down 1 because it is a unit vector. So its magnitude is 1. These vectors are perpendicular to each other. The unit vector can be obtained by dividing vector with its magnitude. Look here, our example. Explain means if unit vector of vector A is n caret, means n caret is equal to vector A upon mod A. It is denoted by also A, only for A. So, in word we can write down vector A upon magnitude of vector A. So, according to this equation, suppose vector A is equal to, we can write down mod A into n caret, means unit vector. In word we can write down vector is equal to magnitude of vector and its unit vector. Suppose now we have an example. 5 Newton force is acting in x axis. Suppose for symbol we can represent it only vector F is equal to 5 I caret. Here I caret is a unit vector of x axis, means we apply 5 Newton force in x direction. Suppose here now we can write down vector F is equal to 10 j caret, means magnitude of force is 10 caret, 10, but its direction is a y-axis. Friends, our next question is explain resolution of vector in 2 dimension. Look here, now we have one vector A. Here this is x-axis, this is y-axis, I caret is a unit vector of x-axis and j caret is a unit vector of y-axis. For vector A, we can write down A1 plus A2. Here A1 is a x component of the vector A, means A1 is equal to, we can write down AX I caret, and A2 is equal to, we can write down AY j caret. Okay, so friends, here now we want to find out magnitude of vector A, means A is equal to, we can write down A1 plus A2 means AX I caret plus AY j caret. Here AX is a x component of the vector A and AY is a y component of vector A. Friends, suppose now we want to find out its magnitude. So first of all, we find out AX is equal to A cos theta and we can write down here AY is equal to A sin theta. According to definition of cos theta, we can write down here, look here, here theta is angle. Look here, this is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to, we can write down here OA upon A, means AX upon A. So AX is equal to, we can write down A cos theta. Same way, AY is equal to A sin theta. This is the x component and AY is equal to A sin theta is a y component. And now we want to find out its value. So we can AX and AY positive, negative or 0 may be possible. So suppose now we want to find out magnitude of vector A. So now we take square, means A is equal to under root AX square plus AY square. And the value of AX and AY are substitute. Look here. AX square plus AY square. Instead AX square we can write down A cos theta means A square cos square theta. And instead AY we can write down A sin theta means A square sin square theta. Now we take A square common. So we get A square is equal to, in bracket, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Friends, in standard 10 we learn cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So here now we take 1, so we get only for a square. So a is equal to, we can write down under root ax square plus ay square. Suppose now we want to find out angle between x-axis and vector a. So tan theta is equal to ay upon ax. So theta is equal to, we can write down tan inverse ay upon ax. Means ay is a y component of vector a and ax is a x component of vector a. With the help of this formula, we can find out angle between x-axis and vector a. Next question is, explain the resolution of vector in 3 dimensions. Friends, look this figure. Here O is a origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is a z-axis. Between this axis, angle is always 90. Look here, this is a vector A. Okay. So here angle between vector A and x-axis is alpha. Angle between y-axis and vector A is beta. And angle between z-axis and vector A is a gamma. Look here in this figure. Okay. Here I caret is a unit vector of x caret. Same way j caret is a unit vector of z-axis and k caret. Look here, this is z-axis and this is a y-axis. From the figure we can write down ax is equal to a cos alpha and ay is equal to a cos beta and az is equal to a cos gamma. Friends, now we want to find out magnitude of vector A. So we can write down A is equal to ax plus ay plus az. Means ax I caret plus ay j caret plus az k caret, ay j caret. Okay. Here ax, ay and az are component of the axis respectively x, y, z and I, j and k is a unit vector. Okay. But now we want to find out magnitude of vector A. So we can write down under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. With the help of this formula, we can find out magnitude of vector A. So friends, look our PDF file. In this PDF file, we get this equation. Okay. So friends, today I teach some important question. Thank you.